How to cancel an order on Temu and then refund. So first things first, there are many ways on uh, doing this method, or it's an actual case-to-case basis scenario. So just have to log into your account and make sure that you are successfully logged in by using the browser or from the application on your phone. So just head directly to orders and account. So as of what I have mentioned earlier on a specific case-to-case basis scenario, so say for example you have already placed an item that is set up on a payment method as COD. So if you cancel it and the product is not yet shipped, there is no need for you to have a specific refund because you have not paid yet, so no refund will be issued. So like on this product right here, the payment method of this item that I have tried to order is COD, or what do they call as cash on delivery. However, if your payment method was set up as an e-wallet or a specific credit that you have on your Temu account, it will automatically be refunded back to your credit on Temu if the item was canceled before the delivery. So if the item was canceled after the delivery, then there is an actual cancellation fee for that because they are already paid to a specific delivery company and then you're canceling an item without further notice. So that's how you process, or that's how to cancel an order in Temu and refund.